In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a revenue goal using a template, configure the right settings, and keep an eye on progress so your team stays on track. First, sign into your HubSpot account. On the left sidebar, look for the reporting icon. Hover over it to expand the options, then select Goals. This is your central hub for setting targets and tracking performance. Inside Goals, click Create Goal. You'll see two choices, create from template or from scratch. To keep things fast and consistent, choose the template option, then select the revenue template and click Set Goal on that tile. You'll land on a setup screen. Start by giving your goal a clear, descriptive name, something that makes it easy to recognize later, like including the team and the time frame. Next, decide whether this goal should connect to the forecasting tool. If you use HubSpot's forecasts, turning this on helps align your target with your forecasted pipeline. Choose the contributors, which can be individual users or teams who will be measured against this goal. Then pick the cadence, such as monthly or quarterly. If your company tracks performance by fiscal year rather than calendar year, check the box to align with your fiscal year. When that's set, click Next. Now select the pipeline this goal should use. Choose the one where your revenue deals actually live, so your reporting stays accurate. Below the pipeline selection, set your targets for each month of the year. You can keep values consistent across months or tailor them to seasonality. If you don't see all months at once, scroll to the right to view and fill the remaining fields. When you're done, click Next. Choose the notifications you want to send. You can enable messages when the goal kicks off, when it becomes exceeded, when it's achieved, and when it's missed. These alerts help you and your contributors stay informed without constantly checking dashboards. Click Done. You'll see a confirmation that your goal has been created, and you'll be returned to your list of goals. To monitor progress, open your new goal from the list. In the Summary tab, you'll find tiles that show total progress, actual versus user goals, a user leaderboard, and breakdowns of goals in progress, achieved, and missed. Use these insights to spot trends, celebrate wins, and quickly address gaps. And that's it. Your revenue goal is set, tracked, and ready to guide your team forward.